Australia, man. These guys must be full of power. Just came off stage and back again for position 3 and position 4. Also the Schweiz, Switzerland, also looking good. But right now, it's Australia leading the pack. Maybe this will be their chance to still be on top podium. Single butt pulling through. And then the Losa will hit it. Full power. Okay, Australia right now on the 3rd position. If they fix it, not to get disqualified. Switzerland is strong. Switzerland is strong. But also Australia, man. So there's one of these boys so far. Unofficially, Team Australia. And then the Swiss chopping away. Last power.